Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to embed Google Map in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to actually do that, you just need to head over and click on any part of your map that you want to actually add. For example, let's add this spiral roofing right here onto our actual Google Maps. And then once you have clicked on that, you can see the option for the share right here. And click on this embed a map. Now you can choose the actual size. It can be medium, small. It can also be large or custom size. So for this one, it's choosing here a medium. Then from in there, click on this copy HTML. Once you have copied that, let's head back right here to our WordPress and then let's try to add this on any page that you want. For example, let's add this right here onto our page of FAQ. So let's click on edit right here. And then once you have clicked on that particular edit option, we should be able to see the block editor of our WordPress. So here's our page right here. So just locate wherein you want to add this. So for example, for me, I'll head over and then type in here a slash and then search in here for HTML. Click on this custom HTML right here. And then let's add in here the HTML that we have copied earlier. Now let's click on this preview. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Here's file grouping right here. Once you have done that, click on the save option right here and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.